What makes a video better? Is it audio? Is it light? Or is it color grading? Obviously this is opinionated, but let's find out. That clip you just saw came from me and my business partner. We made an ad for this lady right here. She owns this flower shop, Quinceanera Wedding and Decor. Let's go inside and show you how we put it together. You guys thought all I did was make YouTube videos, huh? While he's taking pictures of all the flowers, I'm gonna go in the back and we're gonna make that ad. This is the next beauty. Wow. Kenya, are these calls? You're just gonna walk over to the door and go in, and then as soon as you go in, we're gonna stop, and then I'm gonna go on the inside, and then you're gonna be out here, and then you'll come in and put your apron on. Okay. Alright, and then I'm coming inside and do that again.
No.
Okay, Kenya. Yeah, as soon as you knock them down, you can pick them up, and then actually, as soon as you knock them down, then we'll stop. So.
Are you sure we have to put that? Okay, have that.
All right, go ahead. All right. Flowers out the refrigerator, put them here, and then, all right. And whenever you're ready, Kenya. Go ahead. How many of those are you going to do that to?
About 6.
All right. So when you're about to do the last one, let me just record that one. That's the last one? Yeah, go ahead. How do you know what to do? Is there a specific pattern, or is it just what you think looks good?
So what I think is good, taking all the instructions that our teacher gave us.
Oh, okay. I think it's pretty. Does this one have a theme?
It's for baby shower.
Oh, okay.
Soft color for.
I like how you keep spinning it. It looks interesting to me. This is very interesting, watching you do this. Because, I mean, I know it's old hat to you, but, you know, you do it all the time. But this is interesting, watching this come together. All right, so you could just smile. All right, whenever you're ready. Now that you just saw how we filmed the ad, that video ad, let me show you the clip without any sound effects and without color grading. Color grading is important, but if you want to make good video, sound is everything. And then after this clip, I'm going to show you the clip with the sound effects and the color grading. Let's check it out. That video ad that we made was very rewarding and fun to do. By fun, I mean the client, Kenia, she was just a blast to work with. She did every single thing that we asked. It took one take on so many takes. She gave her input that we actually used because she's a very creative woman. That's why she's in the decor industry. Just got back looking at some of the pictures that were taken. Oh, these things are gorgeous. They're beautiful. I'm gonna have to show you guys some of them. Now, we got a little surprise. When we got done shooting, Kenia, she let us pick. This is what she let us pick. She let us pick any bouquet in the entire shop. Look at this. This thing is beautiful. This is just beautiful. She let us pick any bouquet in the entire shop to give to our wives. And that's the type of person she is. I don't know how long she had that in her mind that she was going to give it to us, but she did. So if you need any work done in the event industry, if you have a wedding coming up, if you have a quinceanera coming up, if you have a party, anything like that where you're going to need decorations, be it balloons or flowers or anything that's just going to make your setting that much nicer, check out Kenia with Quince and Way Decor. All her information will be left in the link below. And she didn't ask me to do this. She doesn't even know I'm doing it. I'm doing it because I think she's just a good person and she needs a little bit of advertisement. Now, looking at this bouquet again, she makes me want to continue to keep flowers in the house. So, yeah, we'll see about that. Now, some of you are thinking, if this is your first time seeing me, you're not thinking this. But some of my subscribers are saying, I thought you were just a YouTuber. I thought you just made content. No, we actually market for companies. We do their marketing. We advertise for companies. We do weddings. We do different events. So yeah, that was why I started the YouTube a little bit, just to, I don't know. I like shooting with cameras. I like shooting video. I like taking pictures. So I just like being in front of the camera, and it's just fun to me. Enough rambling on. I just got back and I need to jump on this because it's going to take a while. So if you guys have any questions, as usual, feel free to ask and I'll be sure to get back at you. You guys have a good one. I appreciate you.